fix DoorDash DashMart item out of stock after order. So first thing first, guys, since I don't have an access to create a DoorDash account in my region, I'll be using screenshots and official information from DoorDash to walk you through the process. Now, the first thing what you can do is, while the Dasher is shopping, keep an eye out for text messages or app notifications if the Dasher is actively picking items. Also, select an alternative substitution or tap to request a direct refund for the unavailable product. Now, if you set a pre-approved substitution preference, the system or driver will swap the item and adjust your final total automatically. Now, after the order is delivered, what you can do is open the DoorDash app on your device, then log into your account. Now, once logged in, go to your Orders tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the specific Dash delivery you want to fix, then select Help or Report an Issue, choose Missing or Incorrect Item, then follow the on-screen prompts to flag the out-of-stock item and submit your credit or refund request. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.